This is item number 8905 with M&M Equipment Corp. This is a Holleymatic 180 Alpha mixer grinder. It's all stainless steel construction with a 200-pound capacity hopper and a Gemini side port. Has a grind capacity up to 2,400 pounds per hour. It's a size 52 stainless steel cut group. With a 7.5 horsepower motor. Powered all by 230 volts, 3-phase. This one is currently set up with an optional foot pedal. It works by pressing in the emergency stop. Or you can run it continuously. Here we'll engage the clutch to the grind screw. You can either stop it by emergency stop button, or by opening the lid. This machine has recently been refurbished and is ready to ship. Again, this is item number 8905 with M&M Equipment Corp.